To erase and factory reset a Mac, follow these steps. Number 1. Backup your important files and data to an external storage device or cloud storage service. Number 2. Restart your Mac and hold down the command mention and all keys simultaneously until the Apple logo or spinning globe appears. Number 3. Release the keys once you see the Mac OS Utilities window. Number 4. From the Mac OS Utilities window, select Disk Utility and click Continue. Number 5. In Disk Utility, select your Mac main hard drive or SSD from sidebar. Number 6. Click on the Erase button at the top of the Disk Utility window. Number 7. Choose a name for the erased drive and select the desired format, usually APFS or Mac OS Extended. Number 8. Click Erase to start the erasing process. This will erase all data on the selected drive. Number 9. Once the erasing process is complete, close Disk Utility. Number 10. From the Mac OS Utilities window, select Reinstall Mac OS or Reinstall OS X and click Continue. Number 11. Follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Mac OS. This will download and install the latest version of Mac OS on your Mac. Number 12. Once the reinstallation process is complete, your Mac will restart and present the setup assistant. Number 13. Follow the prompts to set up your Mac as new or restore from a backup. Important note: performing a factory reset will permanently delete all data on your Mac. So ensure you have a backup of your important files before proceeding.